Welcome students, myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav. I am your computer teacher and this is my new video class 4 computer. And in this video I will discuss chapter 2. Chapter 2 name is more about Windows 7 and today's topic is introduction of Windows 7 and features of Windows 7. Okay students, in my earlier video I had already described the chapter 1 and chapter 1 is a completed. So from today we start chapter 2. Okay, and today's topic is the introduction of Windows 7. So we start. Windows 7. Windows 7 is a very popular operating system. It was developed by Microsoft Corporation USA. This OS is mostly used in personal computers like desktop and laptops. OS means operating system. So what is operating system, students? In your earlier class I had already described that what is a operating system. So I repeat it once again. Operating system is a main master control program of the computer. It is a master control program of the computer. It manages all the internal working of the computer and provide an interface to users to work on the computer. One thing in short, we had said that operating system is a master control program which act as an interface between the users and the computer hardware, or it act as a bridge between the users like us and the computer hardware. It manages all the working, how to computer open, how to file save, and how all that things is going on the computer. It is the responsibility of the operating system. Okay, so Windows 7 is a type of a operating system. It manages the internal working of the computer very efficiently. It also provides an extremely easy to use graphical interface to users to work on the computer. What is a graphical interface? Students, as you know that there is a two types of interface. One is a graphical user interface GUI and another one is a character user interface CUI. So Windows 7 is a type of a graphical user interface. Okay, a graphical user interface means in this type of operating system, it supports graphics like images, photos, videos, audios, colors, most of the things it supports. And it in this also keyboard and mouse both are working efficiently. So Windows 7 is a type of operating system that manages the internal working of the computer and also provides an extremely easy to use graphical interface to users to work on the computer. And it has a many new and advanced features as compared to earlier versions of the Windows 7. Like earlier versions of Windows 7 is Windows XP, Windows 2000 and Windows 98. It has too much older versions of the Windows operating system. They have not a too much features, but Windows 7 have a very new and advanced features that makes our work very easier. And one thing is also about Windows 7. Windows 7 also supports touch screen devices. If you have a touch screen laptop or desktop, you can leave the keyboard and mouse aside, and most of the times while using the computer, only with your finger you can touch the screens and use the programs. Okay, so Windows 7 also supports a touch screen devices. Now next is a features of Windows 7. Features of Windows 7. So Windows 7 has many new features that make working on the computer an easy, interesting and refreshing task. Okay, so Windows 7 has a lots of new features that make our task, make our work very easier, very interesting and very refreshing. Okay, so some common features I have mentioned here. The some common features of Windows 7 is the first is a attractive look. Attractive look. Attractive look means with soothing colors, pleasant background, graphics, and beautiful themes, Windows 7 has quite an attractive look. One may find it inviting to work in. When you open a Windows 7 operating system, when that screen appears on the desktop, that looks very attractive. So attraction is a very first things when we start liking the work. So attractive look have a features. Second is a easy to use. Easy to use means changes to the desktop, taskbar, start button, desktop icons, make it easier to use. And means you have to put taskbar here and there, put any desktop icons from here and there, move anything. That makes very easier in Windows 7. And there's a search feature of Windows 7 is also allows you to quickly search any file, folder or programs in your computer. The search feature of Windows 7 allows you to quickly search any file, folder or programs very easily and very quickly. Okay, next is a third is a new taskbar. New taskbar, the new and redesigned taskbar is a special feature of Windows 7. You can pin your favorite programs to the taskbar and open them with a single mouse click. Okay, new taskbar means it has a features, special features like which programs you open mostly or generally you open regularly, you open that programs, so that programs icons are put on a taskbar, and from that taskbar you can click on that program, and by just clicking the program will open. There is no need to open that program from start menu or from their exact location. Okay, so new taskbar is a features from where you can open your favorite programs with a single mouse click. Next is a desktop gadgets. Desktop gadgets, so gadgets are a small utility programs and tools, and you can put gadgets on the desktop from the gadgets gallery. Which type of gadgets are there? Some is a clock, calendar, and one is a puzzle game. That's that desktop gadgets. You can put that gadgets on your desktop from desktop gadgets gallery. Next is a jump list. So jump list is a new feature of Windows 7. A jump list is a list of recently opened items in a program. What is the meaning of a list of recently opened items in a program? Means students, when you open Paint program regularly, and regularly you created 1 2 3 files in a Paint, so that when you open a Paint, then there is also a list of that programs is shown on that right side of the Paint program. Okay, so you can right click on any program icon and then select an item from the jump list to open directly without going to the actual location where it was stored. Means ki if you open any program, Paint program or any program, and you created files, that files are stored in a jump list, and when you want to open a file, then you only right click on that program, and when you right click on that program, the items of the jump list appears on the screen, and from that you have to click your file which you want to open without going to the actual location where it was stored. So that is a very new feature of Windows 7. It is not in a Windows XP or Windows 98. So next is the libraries. So libraries are special features in Windows 7. You can include your documents, videos, pictures, musics in different libraries without actually moving them from their physical location. Okay, means without actually moving any files or folders, you can put your pictures, videos, musics them from their physical location. You can include your documents, videos, pictures, musics in the different libraries without actually moving them from their physical location. Next is a recognizing more devices. Recognizing more devices means Windows 7 recognize more devices than any other previous Windows versions. You can easily connect your digital camera, digital camcorder, smartphones, printer, scanner, plotters, any other devices very easily. You can connect with Windows 7 because Windows 7 supports the features recognizing more devices. So through these features we can easily connect any devices and use that devices through Windows 7. And last feature is the easy Wi-Fi connectivity. So Windows 7 allows you to easily connect to a Wi-Fi network with more devices. If you have a smartphone and on that smartphone there is a internet, then you can connect your smartphone with your computer on which Windows 7 is installed, because Windows 7 has a very new features, that is a Wi-Fi connectivity. Through that Wi-Fi connectivity you can connect any device through Wi-Fi which have a internet. Okay, so students, that's all in this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.